Alright, nama berita kita. Welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today, Aunty is going to show you a special recipe featuring catfish. So, come, let's join Aunty. This one are the catfish. About 3 of the catfish. Already removed the stomach and chop it into pieces. And the ingredients I'm gonna use to cook that are 1 bulb of garlic. Garlic, I already removed the skin, some shallot, and fresh turmeric, and 3 pieces of torch lily, as well as ginger and lemongrass. And besides that, black peppercorn and some tamarind. And the special ingredient I'm gonna use fermented durian. Come, let's join Aunty do cooking. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, Aunty wanna start cutting this turmeric. This one is ginger, slice thinly. Garlic. Okay, Aunty wanna start pound this black peppercorn. I'm gonna mix with all the ingredients. I'll pound it together. Okay, add in the turmeric. Okay, my friend, let's start the cooking. Start the flame. Add in some cooking oil. So these are the pounded ingredient. Okay, add in. The oil is hot. Very nice smell. As usual, Aunty would like to add some salt to enhance the aroma of the ingredients. Okay, it smells good already, and we add in the catfish. Oh, nice smell. Okay, add in the catfish. And stir fry. Make sure the ingredients are very well incorporated with the fish. Oh, nice aroma, my friend. If you never tried cooking this, you should try it. Catfish. Okay, I'm gonna add some water. Hot water. Okay. These are the tamarind. I mix with water. to extract the juice. Okay, add in. All right, very nice. I'm gonna put torch lily. Torch lily in. This one will enhance the aroma and the flavor of the cooking. Very nice smell. Add in salt. That depends on your taste. And 1 teaspoon of Ajinomoto. Okay. The fish is boiling. I'm gonna add in fermented durian. Woohoo! This is nice. 2 spoons. All right. So these are the fermented durian, and we're gonna mix it well. This is very nice. If you guys never tried before, follow Aunty recipe. The soup is very thick, thickened by the durian. Yummy, yummy. This is catfish cooked with durian, fermented durian. Okay. All right. Doesn't take long to cook fish. Okay, I think gonna add a little bit water. Add a little bit water. All right. If you don't want to add some more, still can do it. It's cooked. Catfish cooked with fermented durian. Okay, done. Okay, my friends, this is the ending of my cooking just now. Catfish with special recipe cooked with fermented durian. So if you guys never tried before, do try it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.